Hello everyone, today we're going to solve a related rates problem involving a trough being filled with water. So here's our problem. The cross section of a 5-meter trough is an isosceles triangle with 3-meter base and an altitude of 3 meter. So water is running through at a rate of 1 cubic meter per minute. So our problem is how fast is the water level rising when the water is 1 meter deep. So analyzing on our problem, so our trough is a triangular cross-section shaped like an isosceles triangle. And our base is 3 meter and our height is also 3 meter. And the length of the trough or the length is 5 meter. So the water is being poured through the trough at a constant rate of 1 cubic meter per minute. And the question is how fast is the water level rising when the water is 1 meter? So we're going to find the derivative of height over dt when the height of the water is equal to 1 or 1 meter. So first, let's find our volume, which is volume is equal to area of this cross section here times length, which is 5. And of course, before we can find our volume, we need to find the area, which is the area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. So since we have the same base and the height, we're going to get the ratio of our base and height. So we have base over h, which is 3 over 3, is equal to 1. So this one here is equal to b, as well as is equal to h. So now, we're going to use this to solve for our area, which is needed for our volume. So now we have 1/2 times, and since we're going to get the height, here to get the height, we're going to convert our b into h. And since here, b is equal to h, so 1/2 times h times h, which is our a is equal to 1/2 times h squared. We have our area, which is 1/2 times h squared. Now we're going to use this to get our volume, which is our volume is area times length. So what is our area? We have 1/2 times h squared times the length, which is 5 meter. So we have 1/2 times h squared times 5. So let's simplify this. We have 5 over 2 times h squared. Now that we have this, our volume. So now that we have our volume, we have to get the derivative of volume in respect of time by differentiating our volume, of course. D times dt, so we have 5 over 2 times h squared. So using the chain rule, it will be look like this. It will be look like this. 42 times d over dt times h squared. So now, let's apply the power rule to the h squared. We have here. So we have 5 over 2 times 2h. Since if we divide this h squared, it will become 2h, since here 2, we're going to add here at the front, then 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, so that's basically just 2h. Now we have 5 over 2 times 2h times dh over dt. So altogether, we have, we cancel this, we have 5h times dh over dt. So now, we got our equation. So this is our equation to get the derivative of height in respect of time, or to see how fast is the water level rising when the water is 1 meter deep. So in solving dh over dt, we're given the derivative of volume is equal to 1, which is given in our problem, and our height is 1 also. So let's just substitute this given here into our equation. So we have our derivative of value in respect of time is 1 is equal to 5, which is our 8 is 1, times the derivative of h, or height, in respect of time. So now let's just simplify it. So to isolate this here, we're going to divide both sides by 5. So we have 1/5 is equal to derivative of h in respect of time. So the final answer is 1/5 meter per minute, or we have 0.2 meters per minute where the water is meter deep. So this is our final answer. So thank you for listening in this related rates problem and application of our differentiation. Thank you so much.